Okay, so this is a demo of the new Sounds and Pressure classic preamp, vintage style preamp, loosely based on a preamp that I rebuilt that was originally built by Eddie the African. So a customer asked me to do something similar, so this is what we came up with. So excuse the modern echo unit on top, but this is just for the demo. So it's a three-way preamp, quite simple but still quite powerful in its own way. You've got this section here is the switchable phono line input section, so bass, trebles, volume, and you've got one send and return channel on this preamp. Middle row is all your bass, mids and tops control with kill switches. You can toggle them or latch them or whatever, with kill switches on each channel. And the top is your bass parametric, gain and frequency sweep. So just for this demo, I've got this hooked up to an old valve amp. If you hear any noise, trust me, it's the valve amp, it's not the preamp. Turntable, and I've got this lot here which is just running off of the valve amp. Actually, it's only the bass isn't working on this. I've only got the mids and tops connected up there passively. So this is connected up to run one way. So yeah, let's sling a tune on. Right, so this is the volume, so I can bring in top section, mid section,
if you break my heart, I'll go,
and bass.
but I'll be back again.
So bass, treble are both centre EQ'd at the moment. There's no parametric on this yet.
But I came back
Kills,
again.
kill sections, bring it back in.
I'm the one who loves you.
Parametric.
Yes, I really love you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Should find better things to do than to break my heart in
And the send returns.
this time.
I'm back in again. So there you have it. Nice and simple. Really designed this for use in the house, really, but no reason whatsoever that you can't use it on a sound system in a dance. All the it's clean as a whistle. Parametrics really powerful. Phono stage is beautiful on this. You know, and if you wanted to plug a mixer into it and have microphones and things like that, then that can go in on the line channel. So nothing. Don't be deceived by the simplicity of the thing. There's elegance in the simplicity. Trust me. Sounds of Pressure preamp, classic style.